Hey everybody, Two Chef Mission here with Tony. We're gonna go ahead and show you a new skill to go ahead and implement into your kitchen, so that way we can, help you be more safe and efficient throughout your cooking process.
We are going to show you how to break down a bell pepper. So obviously we know the inside of the bell pepper has the seeds, and so we want to be able to take this part out without losing too much of our bell pepper. So one of your easiest ways is, now we can see the inside, so I like to go pretty close to the edge, and then I'll cut, and then you can cut the rest of the way through, and then do the same over here. And then I'll cut the bottom off, and there you have your 4 pieces, and right here you can cut a little bit closer right there. And now we've broken it down, and our next step is to show you how to dice it. First we're going to cut it into strips. And you want to do some pretty even sized strips so that everything cooks around the same time, because similar sizes is similar cooking times. And that is some diced bell pepper.